Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So, pack up. Pack up. To collect things and put together. Pack up. Maybe into a box or into a container or somewhere else to put things away. We will pack up these jars. Yeah. There is a lot of things we need to pack up, to collect together. Yeah. How can I pack up all these jars? They're everywhere, different shapes and sizes. I would like to pack up my things first. Yeah, I need to pack up these things first. When I have packed them up, then I can pack up everything else. I need to pack up these books first, and then I can pack up those books afterwards. How cool is that? Yeah. We packed up the luggage last night. We collected all the luggage, all the clothes, all the things together last night. Did you pack it up just now? Have you only now finished packing up? Have you only now finished packing up? You took that. That took a long time. That was a long time. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. I'm packing up my things now. Yes. We're packing up the equipment now, so then we can leave, for example. So we can leave. Yeah. If you don't pack up things now, then things will be disorganized. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Do you think they will pack up together? Can they pack up their things together, or can they do it in their own time? I pack up my things by myself because then I have more free time. I can pack up at my own pace, my own length of time. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use pack up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.